Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a nice intro for your YouTube videos or another videos for free. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download the intro and outro maker app on your phone. After installing this app on your phone, you need to open the app and go straight to the logo intro category, then choose a free intro template. From there, you can start editing and customizing this template, and you will have these 4 bars which will help you to customize your logo, brand name, slogan, and even music. To change the logo, you need to upload a new one from your phone, and I recommend it not to have a background. To make your logo look even better, you can make use of these tools below this editing zone. After adding your logo, you can go on to add your brand name, and there is so much you can do to your brand name. If you go at the bottom area of your screen, you can access tools like animation and color, which will help you to make your brand name look great. Now, after adding your brand name, the next thing you can do is to add a slogan or tagline to your video intro. And you can also use the tools at the bottom area of your screen to make the slogan more interesting. As for the adding the music or sound to your video intro, you just need to upload the music or sound from your phone. In addition, you can add things like stickers and background to your video intro. Now, after all this, you can preview your video intro, and as you can see, it looks pretty cool. To remove the watermark on your video intro, you need to watch a video ad or advertisement, but you can also pay to remove the watermark. After removing the watermark, you can go on to save your intro, and you have 4 formats to choose. You can go with the SD video format, which is free, but you can also pay for the HD video formats. So this is like everything for this video, and if you find this video helpful, do me a favor by clicking the like button below and subscribing to this channel for more of these interesting videos.